guys, welcome back to the channel Live Reviewed. My name is Dave, and recently we did the unboxing of this watch here. This is the Fire-Boltt Ring Pro. So today what we'll do is I bought two straps for this from the original Fire-Boltt company. So we will unbox this, we'll see the quality if it is comparable with the one that was provided, and we'll just see the look how it looks. So let's get on with the unboxing. Let's go with the black one first. So again, Virat Kohli's mugshot here, and we have the model number. So this is the original from Fire-Boltt, and the MRP of this is listed as 999, but in Amazon you can get this for around 560, something like that. But I got this on sale, and I actually got this for 250 rupees each, so 500 for this too. That was actually a very good deal, and I'll put the link of the product in the description. Do check it out if you want to buy this. So just we'll go ahead and see the actual product. So I'm actually surprised by the quality of the packaging that they've given. It's almost comparable to the box of the watch itself. So here we have it. Oh, nice. So really soft material, rubber. Here are the pins, and let me see, there is a little bit, I think there is a little bit of quality issue here. If you see here, the finishing of this is not really good. I hope it does not come out. And here we have Fire-Boltt branding. It's the same as it's a little bit brushed, I think. If you can see it, the one in the watch is a little bit more shiny, and yeah, I think it's the quality of the strap itself is almost the same as the one that was given. All right, let's take this out, and let us just put this and see how it looks. So there is the steel part, and it's a bit tight. Yeah, nicely it went. Okay, nice, good fit, nice fit. And let's do this also. Perfect, it fits perfectly, and it looks nice. Most importantly, really nice. It gives, the black one gives really nice. So similarly we'll be doing the same for the white one. I really like how it looks with the black band. It actually looks really nice. It contrasts with this silver here. So let's see if I will like the white one even better, or will it be the black one. Let's see. So again, really nice. The white one actually looks really good, and same, we have the same pins here, and the rubber quality is really nice. Yeah, it's comparable. So let us go ahead and see how it looks. This is actually quite easy, inspired by the Apple Watch. So this one is a bit loose. As you can see, it goes on. I hope it does not get carried away, but it looks nice. So if you ask me which I like better out of the black and the white, I would say I prefer the black one than the white one, because it actually contrasts with this the silver bezel here. But both of those are nice to have. Conclusion: official band, very good quality. I'm a bit skeptical about the pins here. This might come out in the future, but if you use it properly, I don't think it will break that easily. And of course the clasp and all those things are in it. So I just saw something really strange. This was the original band which came with the watch, and this is the one that we just bought. So if you see the difference, the original one had just 2 points here, point of contact, but the one that we just bought had 3 points of contact. So you can see this 3, and this is just 2 dots here, and the metal part is actually here. This is the one which actually holds the band in place. So I'm really surprised that the one that they have originally provided does not have the one in between. So yeah, this is something which is very surprising. Yes. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I'll answer each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.